Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again this week. When? Tuesday, the 25th of June, 2024. Where? Around Crompton Fold, Cliff Hill Road, Shore and Crompton, Oldham, OL2 8DE. Working on footpaths FP29 and FP98, Crompton. What? A big job this one. Wrecked these massively overgrown footpaths, cut back trees, strimmed and cleared vegetation, also removed a huge amount of Himalayan balsam. There are a couple of major issues on this end of footpath 96 Crompton, the section that leads out onto Buckstones Road. The fencing is too close and is obstructing access. Also, the signpost blade has been repeatedly removed. Can I please request a new blade be fitted by Oldham Council and that the brackets be screw tapped to prevent removal or rotation. This was a massive job today on the hottest day of the year, and there were 9 volunteers out today: Ken, Paul, Mike, Martin, Keith, Neil, George, Tony and Bob. A big thank you to all the volunteers, and thank you for watching. It was that hot I had to call into the Shea Wake for a pint on my way home. Keep on walking.